up, guys? So we have a construction site right down the street from us. You may have seen it in some previous videos, but we've actually never been inside of it, never explored it, or never even taken a look. So, you know, we've decided today, since the gates are open and no one's here, let's go inside and take a look. So before we head in, let me quickly explain. These are 4 townhomes, so they're all separate units. So we're just gonna go in and explore a few of them. I'm assuming they're really similar inside, but let's take a look anyway. All right, guys, so we're in the first unit here. There's really not much to see in here. You know, just your average construction site. So these are actually 3-story townhomes. These stairs go to the 2nd floor, and there's another set of stairs that goes up to the 3rd floor. So why don't we head on upstairs? Very interesting choice of railing here. I know it's not final, but. All right, so now that we're upstairs, it seems like there's gonna be a balcony there and some kind of large window here. My understanding is these are gonna be very modern looking townhomes. So I think they're going for that modern open feel. It has a pretty nice view, not gonna lie. I'm assuming this is gonna be some type of balcony or something. I've got a small little room that I think is gonna be a bathroom. I don't really know. That may or may not be a kitchen space. I don't know what this is gonna be over here. Maybe like a large window. We got a nice view of the house next door. All right, so we are up on the 3rd floor, and it looks like these are gonna be bedrooms. Yeah, there's a tub right there, so that's gonna be definitely a bathroom. Closet right there. We have a garage, I believe, all the way there in the back. So, oh, we have a 4th floor. I actually did not know that. So these look like these are gonna be bedrooms. Laundry room right there. Got a nice balcony view on this one. So 2nd and 3rd floors have balconies. We got another, oh my god, this is gonna be a huge shower. Look at that. We got a nice window out there. So let's go up to the 4th floor, see what's up here. This is quite an interesting building, I must say. So 4th is roof access? You might want to build a wall over there just so nobody falls off. That's just a suggestion. Over here, more parking. The remnants of someone's backyard are right there. You know, for those of you that don't know, there used to be 4 houses here, and they were all torn down to build this monstrosity. So you got some leftover remnants of somebody's backyard right there.